Hello friends, welcome to Tasty Life Plant. Here is my very cute little Tangled Heart plant. As you can see guys, so I'm going to replant this cute little coconut shell plant in another big pot so that I can make it bushier. So here I'm taking sand mix as usual, regular garden soil, and I didn't mix anything else. I just going to place them. That means I'm going to replace them or repot them, which I just show you guys, which were in my sweet little coconut shell. So that is very small, so I want them to make bushy and make them more hanging plant. As we can see, that means I can see to other people, so I also want them to that just like bushier, so that they also can be in very big and bushier like a trail. That's why I'm just placing them. And here is the process. I also bring a small cutting from my colleague and just put it in the coconut shell, but it wasn't make that much grow or that much healthier as I expected. I thought it will be already start trailing, but it hasn't, but it didn't work in that way, so I'm not happy. So I thought just make the repot it in another big pot, and this time I'm going to place them in a very good sun. I placed them before in here is the previous one, which I just placed them in semi shade area. Now it is empty and I'm just replacing them in a big pot and going to place them in the much more heavy sun. That means it will get 2 or 3 hours of sun directly. So let's see what happens. So this is the first part of this Tangled Heart plantation. It doesn't need much more take care or any kind of fertilizer, just need enough sun and a little bit of water. Too much watering also can damage them as for my experience. So let's see what happened. Here we have raining for some days, that's why I think they are not growing successfully. So I will let you know guys what happened to them. So bye for today, goodbye.